In this video, I'll guide you through how you can create pan zoom in and pan zoom out effect in Filmora. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and like this video. First, drag and drop the video on Filmora timeline. Now select the part where you want to create pan zoom in and pan zoom out effect. Now select the video part and right click on it and select crop and zoom. Now click on pan and zoom. Now go to the first part of your video and select the start position. You can easily customize the start position. And select the in position. Now click on apply. Let's play the video. By following this easy tutorial, you can easily create pan zoom in and pan zoom out effect.